Hello everyone, welcome to HRpreparation.com, India's first online institute for HR competitive exams. Today we are going to discuss about IBPS Mains SO HR previous year paper analysis. Here you can find 5 different year previous papers, including very recent paper from Bank of Maharashtra. Why we added Bank of Maharashtra here? The Bank of Maharashtra SOHR was conducted by IBPS. So the exam pattern may be different, but the question pattern may similar to the upcoming exam. So that is the reason we added this Bank of Maharashtra SOHR paper here for your practice and understanding. As you know that IBPS conducts SO exam in every year. So it's yearly once and it consists of 2 different patterns like prelims exam and mains exam. This is about mains exam. In mains exam, there are 60 questions for 45 minutes. Let's jump into the previous paper analysis part. Now let's check from the IBPS previous papers. From the IBPS SO previous papers, now we are going to discuss from 2017 to 2020. First of all, we will discuss about 2020 paper. And so as we know that there was 60 questions for 45 minutes. So now we are going to discuss about 2020 paper. Here you can find 3 questions from the general management. So one question from functions of management, business ethics, corporate governance and social responsibility, CSR. So these are the questions were asked from the management. And human resource management. From human resource management, there were 30 questions were asked. So here you can find 1 question from the fundamentals of human resource management or basics of the human resource management. 1 is from human resource planning. 1 is from job analysis. 1 is from recruitment and selection. 2 from the placement and induction. 2 from the compensation management and other benefits. 1 is from HR audits and accounting. 1 is from International Human Resource Management and recent trends in HRM. 1 is from quality of work life. 1 from ethical issues in HRM. 1 from EHRM. So here, most of the subtopics under human resource management were covered, and there is a huge number in this year, like 13 questions from the human resource management, comparing with other topics. From HRD, human resource development. In 2020, so there were 8 questions were asked from the HRD. 1 from fundamentals of HRD or basics of HRD. 3 questions from the performance appraisal. 1 from training and development. 1 from career management. 1 from reward and recognition, 1 from OD and managing change. Here you can find 11 questions were asked from the organizational behavior. So the 2 questions from individual behavior, 1 from group behavior, 3 from motivational theories, 1 from leadership theories, 1 from communication, 1 from emotional and stress management, 1 from employee counseling, 1 from conflict management. So these were the questions asked from organizational behavior. So you can find these are the subtopics under OB. IR. There were 7 questions asked from IR. So 1 from grievance and discipline, 1 from collective bargaining, 2 from settlement and dispute, 2 from trade unions, 1 from some other out of the industrial relations, but this is the new topic, and it's not actually new topic, but in this syllabus you can find as a new topic. But so you no need to focus more on this because there were only 1 question from 2020 only, not earlier, but we can't expect in this year also, so no need to stress on it. 4 questions from the labor legislations. So 4 questions like one question from the labor legislation subtopics. 1 is from principles of labor legislation, 1 from constitutional provisions, 1 from wage theories, 1 is from social security schemes. Coming to the labor welfare and market, there were 3 questions asked from labor welfare and market. One from fundamentals of labor welfare and market, management of occupational health and safety, one from labor administration. Labor laws. Here there were 11 questions from the labor laws. If you compare here from the previous papers to like 2007 to 2020, so here there were more questions were asked from the labor laws. In this year also we can expect more questions from labor laws. Like here you can find one question from each labor law. So whatever you consider, like ESI Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Compensation Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Trade Union Act, Maternity Benefit Act, Payment of Wages, EPF Act, Payment of Gratuity, Factors Act, Mines Act. So one question from the major labor laws, and so we need to focus on all the labor laws here for this year. This previous paper analysis will help you to crack your exam, because this is the actually basic idea on the exam and the question pattern. So if you understand the questions from which topic, I mean the questions, more questions from the which topic, then only you can understand and you can focus on it more. So then you can spend more time and you can understand it more. Then only you can able to answer the question in the real-time exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video is very helpful for your preparation. If you like this video, please share with your friends and share in your WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, wherever you are in social media. Thank you very much for watching this video.